I'm Mamta. I'm from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology in the stream of IT. I have joined the Jspiders Punjagutta in the month of April 2024 through incubation batch. And from the joining, I have trained the Core Java by B.TECH sir and Kaushik sir. The teaching was so good that they cleared all my doubts, and all my web technologies is taught by Nigaraja sir, and currently advanced Java is ongoing, which was taught by Ravi sir, and that has helped me a lot to crack my interview. And currently I am learning the React.js, which is teaching by Shivanand sir. And after getting all the training, once I added to the requirement by the HRs, they have taken the grooming sessions, which helped me a lot to recall all my subjects within the 2 or 3 grooming sessions, and that helped me to crack the interview. Thank you.